This is NVIDIA's latest AI supercomputer. And it's finally called Project Digits right now.
Albert Einstein has said, if you always do what you always did, you will always get what you always got. Imagine holding the power to revolutionize industries, disrupt old paradigm, and craft the future, all from your desktop. What if I told you that the California headquartered company NVIDIA has just launched a groundbreaking tool that could make this dream your reality? Welcome to the age of limitless possibilities with Project Digits, where AI meets accessibility. Now, an imperative question is, why should you care? Because this isn't just another tech innovation. It's a movement that's breaking down barriers, empowering creators, and reshaping the rules of AI forever. Whether you are a student, a startup founder, or a tech enthusiast, Project Digits is here to unlock the extraordinary potential within you. Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal with you will not only blow your mind, but could redefine your vision of the future or hands. But what is Project Digits? Why is everyone from Fortune 500 CEOs to indie developers buzzing about it? And most importantly, how can it transform your world? Stick around because the answers will blow your mind. So what exactly is Project Digits? At its core, Project Digits is NVIDIA's all-in-one AI supercomputer for desktops. Dubbed the AI box for everyone, it's compact yet an insanely powerful supercomputer. Built to fuel the dreams of developers, researchers, and enthusiasts alike, Digits combines NVIDIA's Grace CPU and Blackwell GPU architecture. This powerhouse combo makes advanced AI models run smoother and faster than ever before. Here's what's jaw-dropping. Digits is designed for accessibility, so you don't need a billion-dollar data center to train complex models. Imagine the potential of AI in education, in gaming, in art and science, all from your own personal desk. Well, here's a quick snapshot of the tech specifications for Digits. The launch date for NVIDIA's all-in-one AI personal supercomputer for desktops is believed to be May of 2025, and the price estimate is around $3,000. But consider the ROI on groundbreaking innovation. The processor with this AI personal supercomputer uses is Grace CPU, and the graphics is the Blackwell GPU. Well, let's try to rewind a bit and try to understand the whole story, the original origin story. In the 2020s, NVIDIA dominated AI with tools like CUDA and TensorRT, but developers faced challenges, high costs, steep learning curves, and hardware limitations. Enter Project Digits. Born from NVIDIA's mission to empower smaller teams and individuals, as CEO Jensen Huang said, innovation is the fuel of progress, and progress must belong to everyone. Think about it. This isn't just about hardware, it's about breaking barriers. For example, students from rural areas can now develop AI-driven solutions to tackle local problems, while startups can prototype with tools previously out of reach. Now, another big question is why Project Digit matters. Have you ever wanted to experiment with AI but felt overwhelmed by complexity? Digits changes the game. It's like having a Formula 1 car that's as easy to drive as a family sedan. NVIDIA's software stack ensures a smooth user experience like pre-trained models, jumpstart projects with ready-to-use models for natural language processing or NLP, computer vision, and more. Next is Developer Toolkit. Includes Digits SDK, making customization intuitive and straightforward. And number 3 is integrated cloud support. Seamlessly scale your project to NVIDIA's cloud infrastructure. Here's where the storytelling gets exciting. Imagine you're a small video game developer. With Digits, you can integrate real-time AI to create non-player characters that adapt dynamically, delivering next level of immersion. Or consider a teacher crafting personalized learning tools for students. Digits makes it not only possible, but effortless. What's even more thrilling? Early adopters are already pushing Digits to its limits. One biotech startup is using Digits to model protein structures, potentially accelerating drug discovery by years. Another team is creating hyper-realistic virtual actors for movies. As Alan Kay says, the best way to predict the future is to invent it. And NVIDIA just did that. With Digits, you are not just observing innovation, you are living it. Now, the imperative question is, why does this matter for you? Because the AI revolution is here, and NVIDIA is ensuring that everyone has a seat at the table. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, summarized it best. When we give tools to creators, we unleash the most profound transformations. Project Digits is designed to eliminate traditional gatekeeping. High costs, solved. Hardware inaccessibility, not anymore. Complex software, simplified. It's a future where your ideas are only the limit. As Peter Drucker says, and I quote, if you want something new, you have to stop doing something old. That's what NVIDIA did. Let's pause for a second. What would you do with Project Digits? Think big, because this isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to reshaping industries. Now, an imperative question is how Digits stands out. Let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, there are other AI platforms like Google, AWS, and Apple. But Digits is a category of of its own. Number 1 is Google TensorFlow Enterprise. It's powerful but cloud dependent, lacking Digits desktop flexibility. Number 2, Amazon Web Services Deep Learning AMIs. Great for experts but pricey for beginners. Number 3, Apple Silicon Ecosystem. Impressive hardware but limited AI focused features. Digits offers a sweet spot, top tier performance, affordability and usability. It's the Swiss Army knife of AI tools. Now let's look into the real world use cases and how Digit is unleashing creativity. Let's explore what's possible with Digits. Number 1, in education, teachers can create personalized AI tools for adaptive learning experiences. Number 2, in art, artists can generate mind-blowing visuals or music compositions with AI-assisted creativity. Number 3, in science, researchers can model climate predictions or simulate biological systems with unmatched efficiency. Number 4, in business, entrepreneurs can automate workflows, analyze massive datasets, and even create predictive sales tools. Digits is the ultimate canvas. The question is, what masterpiece will you paint on it? Another question is, what's next for Digits? NVIDIA isn't stopping with Digits. Rumors hint at Project Digits 2.0, potentially integrating quantum computing elements. Imagine real-time AI training that's 1000x faster. Now that's a cliffhanger worth waiting for. Matt Mullenweg says, and I quote, "Technology is best when it brings people together." And that's what NVIDIA did. As we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Project Digits isn't just about NVIDIA or AI. It's about you, your dreams, your ideas, and your potential to shape the future. So what will you create when the power of Digit is in your hands? The next big thing in AI isn't coming. It's already here. And it starts with digits. Just like how internet started with binary. The question is, how would you leverage it, my dear friend? There are a few things which I want to address to you specifically. Firstly, an economist has said that AI won't take your job, but people who know how to use and leverage AI will take your job sooner or later. So if you are an employee, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a freelancer, a content creator, a marketer, or just a hustler or a dreamer looking to be more efficient, productive, and scalable, then this channel Best Software is just for you. Secondly, remember, in this digital age and with the dawn of AI, your business and your productivity would be built by systems, processes, and technology. And software tools and AI enables as well as empowers you and your business, and that's what exactly I'm going to cover on this channel, Best Softwares. Thirdly, I highly recommend you to check out the website bestsoftwares.com. Link is in the description and comment to take yourself or your business's productivity, efficiency, and scalability to the next level with the latest and greatest around AI software tools and platforms. Bestsoftwares.com in itself is one of the biggest directory of AI tools, apps, and business softwares on the internet. So bookmark it for the rainy day because you are going to need it, if not now, then eventually. Also, don't forget to put in your email ID for a chance to win a surprise gift hamper and one newsletter a week, because you need to be constantly updated with the latest tech out there in your specific domain. And lastly, this video is sponsored by DCM, an acronym for digitalchannelmarketing.com, one of the best and economical digital marketing agency you will find for your business. Digitalchannelmarketing.com helps you to get publish your personal or professional brand on 400 plus news sites including Forbes, Yahoo, Business Insider, and much more at the best prices possible. You can also buy relevant followers, subscribers, likes, shares for your social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, etc. From 10,000 followers to 100,000 followers for your Instagram. Also, from getting your YouTube monetized with 4,000 watch hours to 1,000 subscribers, you can actually purchase more than 100,000 subscribers for your YouTube channel, to 100,000 followers for your TikTok or for your Facebook page likes, and much more. DCM is very reliable. Another flagship service is gifting a website to your loved ones on special occasions, or other website services like resume websites, portfolio websites, business websites, and more. They also have marketing services like search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media, graphic design, content and copywriting, and more. They also have a unique service called website traffic services, which will help you to get more traffic on your website, and these are relevant traffic. Or you can also get their service which is video as a service, like you can get your monthly video editing for your YouTube, for your TikTok, Instagram, and more. Check out their website to start, build, and grow your influence and business with digitalchannelmarketing.com. Go ahead and channelize your digital marketing with Digital Channel Marketing or DCM. In fact, if you want to start your own business, then highly recommend to check out their partners page, which will give you all the information to start your own business today.